commission robot review demo and $2,295 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my commission robot review. Now this is a brand new product for anyone out there essentially trying to sell more online. So if you're an affiliate marketer, if you're selling your own products, if you're doing e-commerce, if you want to sell your own services, this is something that will allow you to sell more, get free traffic and just create your brand out there, okay? Which down the road obviously equals more sales. So we're gonna go through the sales page, the inside of the members area. I'm going to do a little demo. I have a major bonus worth $2,295, including a custom piece of software you're gonna get from myself and no one else. So let's just jump into it. This is my commission robot review. Let me share my screen with you, and even before we're gonna jump onto the sales page, I just went to Fiverr and I typed in e-commerce website. So if you would like to pay someone to set up a website like this, you would have to spend, as you can see, $150, $80 here, so anywhere from $80 to $150 just for the setup, okay? So obviously you are saving this amount of money just for the setup, or you can even do this for other people. If you don't want to be setting up these stores for yourself, you can do it for other people and charge them money. So that's just a side note. We can make money this way as well. And right now, let's check out the sales page. As you can see, it says commission robot, simple, proven, profitable, brand new commission getting robot gets you unlimited free traffic and sales in 3 minutes or less. Get results or we'll pay you $250. That's interesting. So we're gonna dive deeper into it. So again, you're gonna be unlocking commissions in 3 minutes. You're 1 click away from your first sale instantly. Cash in with affiliate offers. Scale your commission in minutes. Newbie friendly. Agency license worth $997 included, which means that you can essentially use this software to sell services on Fiverr or anywhere else to other people, and you don't have to pay extra for a license. 365-day money-back guarantee, so a full year, and get results or get paid $250. Pretty crazy, right? So let's go through all of this. Obviously, these guys have a ton of proof. Billy, David, and Justin, these are the 3 guys behind the course. They have a ton of amazing products behind their belts already. Obviously, some more proof. So again, 3 steps. You're gonna pick up your copy, then you're gonna activate it, and you're gonna cash in. So in a second, we're gonna go through all of this. So again, this will work for any type of a product or products that you want to be promoting. So ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Pay.com, and obviously you can do e-com, you can do any type of a niche, totally up to you. You can sell whatever you want. And actually the upside of having a store instead of just sending people directly to an affiliate offer is that if someone is not interested in the offer that you're currently promoting, they can check out all the other products that you are promoting as well. So obviously, you can do this on your own website, but to set up a website, first of all, it's a high cost. Secondly, you're gonna have to be running it, updating it. Most people that are only starting out online don't really have the tech skills or the experience or the time to do it, okay? So a store like this is perfect for someone who is just starting out. Now let's jump into the members area. As you can see, this is the dashboard. So you'll be able to essentially create your store, add products to it, and just showcase all of your products this way. And then we have the social sharing, which I'm going to show you in a second. So on the dashboard, you have all products, active products, schedule products. Schedule is actually an additional feature. We're going to go through all of the upsells as well. Let's go through the social sharing. Let me just log in here real quick. So guys, social sharing, obviously just having your own store is just one part of it. Another part is just having the social sharing aspect to it, which means that this will be instantly shared all over your social media, which means free traffic, which means eyeballs on your store, which means more sales. So we got Blogger, Twitter, LinkedIn, Medium, LiveJournal, Instapaper, and Write. Then obviously we can add a product. So I'm not going to do this right now, but I'm going to have a full demo both on my blog and on my YouTube channel as always. So essentially we are just adding a product name, description, product image, product price, affiliate link, and then call to action bonus, and then you can rate it 1, 2, 3 or 5 stars. That's essentially it. You don't have to do much more than this. Then we have your store. So this is an example of a store. I just added like a couple of products here before starting this video. So obviously, you know, again, you're gonna have an image, the name, the price, and you can showcase however many products you want. So 3, 6, 9, 12. This will be looking more or less like this, and obviously you're gonna have your own URL to your store, and this is where you're gonna be sending all the people to. Okay. Again, then you can edit all of my products, so you can look them up, you can delete them, you can syndicate your product, and then obviously you can customize your store. So as you can see, you can add a logo, you can edit the URL, you can have this, you know, a different store name, headline, header background, footer background, color, and then you can also have a limit on the number of products. So again, 3, 6, 9 or 12. So that's essentially it. Obviously you're gonna add all of your social media profile links right here to link it up to get all the free traffic, and then you can access support right here. Then we also have the training part. So obviously a part of getting the software, you're getting the training. So we have the big picture overview, accessing the software, finding offers to promote, then setting up your store and getting sales. Super simple, because there's not much more to it than what I just showed you. You can literally create your own store and add products in under 10 minutes, start selling, start generating free traffic with the social sharing, and obviously the more traffic you send, the better. And again, let me stress this out, sending traffic directly to an affiliate link just simply doesn't work anymore. You know, all of your competitors out there have a blog, have a YouTube channel, have a Facebook group, have their online hub where they are sending all of their traffic. So again, if someone is not interested in picking up the product that you're promoting today, they can check out all the other products and you're not losing the traffic. You are just maximizing all of your traffic. So if they're not interested in one product, they can check out 11 other products and they will buy at some point. So this is exactly what you can achieve. And obviously, you know, you're creating your own branding, you have your online hub, people know, like, and trust you, and this is, you know, essentially trust is huge, because you're not just sending traffic to an affiliate link like thousands of people are trying to do and are not succeeding. You are you have your own brand, you have your own store, you have your own online hub where people can find you. So that's everything that you're getting. Right now, let's check out all of the upsells and the pricing. Okay, so first of all, let me just go through the pricing, and on my blog I have a full description of all of the upsells. Okay, so the main product will be $17. So as you can see, OTOs number 1, 2, 3 and 4 are $42, and OTO number 5 is $197. And right now, let me show you exactly what these are, and then I'm going to show you all of my bonuses. Okay, so commission robot upsell number 1, and this will be $42, but the end price will be actually $47. So the price will be going up on this one. With this upgrade, you'll be able to create unlimited affiliate stores and also unlimited products, and also unlock additional features and video training. So as you saw, you'll be able to add 12 products with the main product. If you want unlimited stores and unlimited products, that's OTO number 1, $42. Commission robot upsell number 2, we got automated edition, and in this upgrade you can unlock even more features such as additional social media accounts and the powerful scheduling ability. Okay, so that's just additional features. Again, $42, OTO number 2. Commission robot upsell number 3, 1K edition. In this powerful upgrade, they will let you in on secrets of potentially scaling up your earnings to thousands of dollars by leveraging additional traffic strategies. So obviously you're going to get free traffic from all the social media that is already linked into your store, but if you want additional traffic strategies, that's OTO number 3. Then we have OTO number 4, $42 again, and this is resellers edition, which means that you can sell this product on your own. You can even rebrand it with your own logo and keep 100% of the profits on the main product and all the products in the and the funnel. Okay, so I'm promoting this as an affiliate. I'm making 50% commissions. If you want 100% commissions, and you can even rebrand it with your own logo, that's only $42. Normally people sell this for at least $197. These guys went absolutely crazy, and you can snatch it for $42. And then $197 for OTO number 5, and this is luxury edition, which means that this is not a done for you pack, this is a done for you setup, which means that these guys will actually log into your accounts and set up everything for you. So you're gonna have a physical person, a VA, that will log into your hosting, into your autoresponder, and they will add everything for you. So a full funnel with our autoresponder, with a squeeze page setup, with follow-up emails, and also additional traffic tutorials. So $197 for essentially hiring these guys to set up all of this for you. So these are all of the OTOs, all of the upsells. Obviously upsells are optional, and you'll be fine with the main product alone, but if you want the additional features or maybe the done for you setup, then you can definitely consider picking up one or more of these. Now let me show you my bonuses. As I mentioned, the first bonus is a custom made bonus especially for this promotion, and this is actually a piece of software that will allow you to sell much more. And the piece of software I'm talking about is the voucher machine, which essentially allows you to create vouchers, discount codes, and giveaways for your products. Okay, so in a nutshell, it will work perfectly with Commission Robot, you know, having your own store and then using the power of vouchers and discounts. Again, this is a piece of software that does it for you. Okay, so this is a custom bonus from myself. No one else will give it to you. And again, this is a piece of software, and that's only the first bonus. Let me show you all of the other bonuses. Okay, we got Buyers List Ninja, which is my own product on creating a buyers list and making money with it. Super powerful. Again, great for Commission Robot because you really want these buyers. Okay, this is a course that is not available for sale any longer, and you're gonna get it again for free as a part of this bonus pack to Commission Robot from myself. All of these bonuses you're getting for free. Now we got Blaze, a course on free social media traffic and how I made $400 in a single day using free traffic from social media. That's a case study. You're also getting additional traffic softwares. Okay, so you're getting push button traffic, you're getting auto affiliate machine, you're getting viral commission machine, you're getting super affiliate class, and also some Dollars of the Day awarded courses on generating traffic and commissions. So $100 daily, 3-minute commissions, $171 daily, copy profit case study, fastest way to $169 a day, tube commission loophole, flip me, everything about flipping. So even if you want to flip these stores and make money this way, you can. Tube traffic avalanche, my case study on Facebook traffic, then 9 software plugins and software and plugins. Okay, so you're getting Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, TrueText, IS, Popbox, Sales Bar, and Shortcode Call to Action. So that's a total of 27 bonuses, but I'm not done because you're getting my mega bonus on top of this. And my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus Dollars of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses. You can check it out by going to artofmarketingblack.com/mega bonus. Check it all out. This is a total of 45 plus products that are worth well over $1,500. So that makes it a total of $2,295. And again, you're getting all of these bonuses for free from myself, just as a thank you for picking up Commission Robot through my link. And Commission Robot will be going live on September the 30th at 11 AM Eastern. Make sure to show up early to grab it with an early bird discount for under $17. Grab it through my link to get all of these bonuses. If you have any questions, as always, you can leave me a comment on my blog or on my YouTube channel. I'm also going to have a full demo, so check it out as well. And please check out all the rest of the videos on this channel. I'm always reviewing internet marketing and make money online products on this channel, so please subscribe, and I'll be seeing you very shortly in the next video. Ciao.